イオスさんの、
はい
2年前にですかね、2017年から日本で拠点を置かれて、
はい
いよいよ日本でも本格的に活動を始められていると、始めても何年か経ってらっしゃるというところで、
はい
国内での展開ですね、今後どのようにお考えかというのをお伺いしたいんですが。
はいイオスではですね、AM ジャーニーという言葉を使ってるんですけれども、お客さんが本当に AM 必要なのかどうか、大体必要がないっていうところから始まるわけですけれども、必要であるところを見つけて、で実際にそれが本当に使えるのかどうか判断して、それを実証して、で、1号機が入って、で本当に活躍して、活躍しないと次はないので、活躍して、次へつながっていく。で目的である AM による生産っていうところに行くわけですけれども、これそう簡単にはいかないんで、機械買って終わり、機械買う、何を買うのかっていうのを考えるっていうそういうことではなくて、ジャーニーって長い旅を指しますけれども、結局長い旅なんで、で我々はその長い旅したことがあるという立場から、山岳ガイドとか、そのようなイメージで、お客さんの、その長い旅を手伝っていく、そういうことを戦略としては思ってます。でこの後にですね、私からではなくて、アジアパシフィック全体の、セールス統括している、ジャック・ウーから、説明してもらいたいと思います。
Okay, my name is Jack. I'm from Taiwan originally. I've joined EOS company since 2010. So in the last 9 years, I've started in Taiwan and in Shanghai to build our business in China. Then I moved to Singapore in 2017 to take new responsibility as sales director for Asia Pacific. And now, and this month, I will move to Japan and hopefully to help develop our Japan market. Okay. So I think when we think about how to develop a market, if we look at the global AM market, for us it's always the same. So the customer always have to go through a AM journey. So starting from no need for AM because they are very successful in using conventional technology to manufacture their products. But once they become interested in what AM can do, they have to go through a process where they have to find the application which creates value for their business, and finally build a business case based on AM. And then they start to purchase the first system, go through qualification, certification, and also safety, address safety concerns, and finally ramp up their production with AM technology. So if we look at the global AM market, I think we can see that more advanced markets like North America or Europe, they have started this journey quite early, and they are very innovative in the sense that they are more willing to take a risk with a new technology. So they are more further down this journey. If we look back in Asia Pacific market, I think we have a slower start, but a lot of the regions within Asia, for example, Japan, China, Korea, India, already are becoming more and more interested and more knowledgeable about what AM can do. But now we are going into this critical phase to find the right applications and create the value for the customer. So if we compare the countries within Asia, we see that China has grown very fast in the last 4 or 5 years in terms of number of systems sold in the region in China. However, I think mainly because of the government drive, government push for the new Made in China program, people sometimes jump directly into buying their first system without knowing, without going through the phase where they really develop the right applications. So I think at the end of the day, they still have to come back and go through this to really benefit from the technology. If I look at Japan market, on the other hand, maybe we have a slower start, but when I talk to our Japanese customers, they always think about this whole journey. They understand that they need to develop the right applications. They also think about the safety, the qualification, and how to make it in production. So I think the Japanese companies have the right mindset. They know that they need some support on this part, and that's why makes EOS unique in the market, that we are able to support our customers in every step of the journey. So we are very happy to have our strong presence in the market with our setting up our Japan company 2 years ago and working closely with our partner NDES. So we have a big team to work on projects with customers to go through this AM journey.
Thank you.